One last time.
Wow, so many leads.
Wait, leads? No door knocking or cold calling at all?
No, none at all. These are all warm connections. Actually, buyers and sellers are directly calling us, and we get booked appointments straight into our calendar, face-to-face appointments.
Wow.
Absolutely no cold calling, no door knocking. Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty has plenty of leads, as many as you and I can close.
Whoa.
And this is absolutely the best place to work, the best place to buy and sell real estate. Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty's proven system has propelled my business and the business of our team of the top 1% to 20% agents in the state of California.